Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how circular portraits frame with vector mask. Import your photo and unlock the layer. Choose the list tool and draw a circle. Align it to the face area perfectly. Right click and choose vector mask. Now only the face area remains visible. Use the move tool to adjust placement. Resize the mask while holding shift plus alt. Then add a white or gradient background below. To make it pop, apply a drop shadow effect. Increase contrast slightly for clarity. This circular flaming works for profiles. Duplicate the layer for double border rings. Try using metallic gradient for a premium look. Keep the background minimal and clean. Now you have got a perfect circular portrait.